Good morning to everyone. Now I am going to talk about the topic is communication. The word communication is derived from the Latin word communis, which means to make common, to share, to impart, or to transmit ideas, information, or knowledge, etc. Need for communication. Communication is a social process. Communication is a continuous attempt to share information, ideas, and attitudes and like other or link others. Particularly, we communicate for our basic needs such as food, shelter, and cloth. Good communication does not mean only give orders but creating understanding. Definitions of communication. George A. Miller defined communication means that information is passed from one person to another. According to Franz X. Dance, communication is a process by which senders and receivers interact in a given social contact. Dennis McQuill observes communication as the sending of meaningful messages from one person to another. Then, elements of communication: the sender, the receiver, message, the channel, noise, and feedback. The sender. The sender is the key figure of the communication. The import of his message will also depends on the status and reputation of the sender. Status relates authority, knowledge, and prestige, while reputation of the sender. The receiver is a sender and receiver has his own frame of reference, that is, what he selects to listen or attend to will depend upon his own attitude, opinions, and the relationship he has with the sender. The message. The message means type of information passed from sender to a receiver. The message can be in the form of verbal and non-verbal. The next one is the channel. The channel is the medium employed to convey the message. It means by which a message travels between the sender and the receiver. The next one is noise. Noise is any kind of disturbance or distraction in the transmission of the message. There are two types of noise are there: channel noise and semantic noise. Channel noise include any disturbance which interferes with the physical transmission of message. Semantic noise is the study of changes in the meaning of words. Semantic noise result in misinterpretation of messages. Word too difficult, subject too difficult for the receiver to understand, poor organization of the messages which confuses the receiver, sentence pattern which are confused to the receiver, cultural differences between sender and receiver. Example, gesture, the uses of eyes. The last one is feedback. It is the interaction or response of the receiver which is communicated to the sender. There are two types of feedback: positive feedback and negative feedback. Thank you.